So let us look at this section. And in this section, we're going to be looking at analysis of the existing system. Now, when you're looking at analysis of an existing system, we're basically just saying this, that every organization will have some form of system. There's a way we do things, right? Whether it is a business you're running, a shop you're running, there's the way that you do things. Now, the only difference is now that we want to ensure that the procedures, the processes, the activities that we do are almost, either documented, standardized, and put in a way that is clear for everyone to know. So in this particular section, we want to see and understand what is our current state. Okay, we always want to know this. We always want to know what is the current state that we are in. We also want to conduct a gap analysis. Now, conducting a gap analysis is basically just looking at what is our current state, okay, and what is our desired state. Right now, for us to be able to move from our current state to the desired state, this is basically where now the gap analysis comes in, so that we can know what steps do we need to take so that we can move from our current state to the desired state. We'll look at establishing maturity targets so that we know where do we move, and it's basically a scale from 0 to 5, and we need to know where are we currently and where is the desire of the organizations to be. Remember, we always be driven by our vision and our mission so that we can be able to achieve what objectives we have set out as an organization. Then finally, we want to have a gap analysis report that can be able to show us what methodology did we use, how did we get the information that we have, did we do interviews, did we do surveys, was it, a way of having either group, individual interviews, and ultimately, where did we find ourselves and what plan do we have for moving to our desired state. So this section is all about this. So let us see how this goes. Now, just to look at where we have come so far, we have basically looked at, remember, always our PCB methodology. We are always planning, doing, checking, and acting. So we are still in the planning phase, and this is where we want now to look at an analysis of the existing system. All right. Now, when we talk about gap analysis, all right, because this is where we want to determine what steps do we need to take so that we can actually move from our current state to a desired future state. So we look at our current state, we think about our desired state, and we need now to look at what do we need to put together so that we can actually get to where we desire as an organization. So this is what we'll be covering in this particular section.